The OnePlus Lab invites fans to test the coming Nord device. The brand took to its community platform to announce that they are opening the lab for fans. By doing this, they are welcoming those who wish to test or review the coming Nord device before it begins retailing. Fans can now show off their creativity in a bid to win themselves the opportunity to be among the first testers of the coming Nord device. In total, the brand, OnePlus, is looking out to pick 6 fans to whom they would send this device for testing. The fans will then in turn make creative reviews of this device, giving their honest opinion to the community and other potential buyers. OnePlus has a schedule for this exercise, and if you wish to join in, this article provides all the information you need. OnePlus is preparing to launch its new Nord device, and is opening the doors for fans to test the product. This isn't the first product that OnePlus is offering to its fans for testing, as the community has been active for years. User selection will run from June 20th to June 26th, and announcement of those selected will be on the 27th. The OnePlus Nord 3 device will ship out to those the brand picks after reviewing their application on June 28th. Lastly, the reviews from those the brand picks will go live on social media channels sometime in July. Check out our description box below for the link you need to select for applying.